Is your 2006 BMW 750Li key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery, a need to resync, or antenna problems. First, the fob likely uses a CR232 3-volt lithium battery. Replacing this is often the first and easiest fix. Second, try resyncing the fob. Do this by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on position without starting the car, and repeatedly pressing the lock button on the fob until the doors lock. Then, turn the ignition off. If neither works, the car's receiver antenna might be the issue. This antenna, often near the rear window, can corrode or have wiring damage. Resyncing is a quick fix, but antenna degradation is the hidden killer. Inspect wiring annually. For a dead battery in your 2006 BMW 750Li key fob, carefully pry open the fob using a coin and replace the CR2032 lithium battery. These DI battery swaps have a high success rate and can restore full functionality quickly. If resyncing the key fob fails multiple times, the vehicle's antenna is likely the problem. DIY antenna fixes are possible, but you might need a multimeter to test signal strength or a dealer scan tool for diagnosis. For antenna replacement, seek professional help as it typically costs around $200 including labor. This ensures proper diagnosis and repair of wiring issues. If your key fob continues to fail or has limited range, consider an aftermarket upgrade for extended reach and better reliability. However, always inspect wiring annually to catch potential problems early. By 2030, as electric vehicle adoption grows, older internal combustion engine vehicles, such as the 750Li, may face parts scarcity, making timely repairs even more important.